all stack. We do all kinds of tech and coding stuff on YouTube to make programming fun and accessible for all. I am Sudeep and I am going to be taking this Python series. So, what is Python? Well, Python is an interpreted high-level object-oriented and general-purpose programming language. From machine learning to application development, its uses are far and wide. So, having a knowledge of Python is very useful. Okay, now let's get down to the installation steps. Firstly, you need to visit the official Python website www.python.org and select the version of Python you need to download. Currently, there are two versions of Python available, Python 2 and Python 3. The support for Python 2 is gradually being dropped, so we are gonna go with Python 3. Even with Python 3, the 3.9 version is coming soon, but since 3.8.5 is the most stable, we are going to download that. For Windows users, hover on the download tab and click on download for Windows. This downloads the Python installer. After it is downloaded, click on the .exe or the executable file. Now if you don't have any Python versions currently installed on your system, you would see the normal execution option. It would do all the job for you, but we are gonna do a custom installation. Click on next and select all the options that I have selected. Then click on next and you are on the installation part. Let the directory be as it is unless you want to install it on a different location, and then click install. This would install all the required files and also add Python to your environment variables. After you are done installing, you can check if the installation was successful by typing this command on the terminal. If the installation did not witness any problem, you would see the Python version. Now type the command pip space -- version. This would show your pip installation. Pip or preferred installer program is the package installer for Python. You can use pip to install packages and modules on the Python package index and other indexes. Now that you know Python is installed in your system, let's start executing some simple programs. Search for IDLE in your system and then click on the Python IDLE. It would open the Python shell. You can execute your programs right here on this shell. Type print hello world and then press enter. This program will be executed and you would see the output. You can do the same for other programs as well. You can even assign values to variables and print the values of simple arithmetic operations as well. But for this tutorial, we are gonna create a new file. Click on File tab on the Python shell and select New. After that, it would open a new file in a new window. Save the file on your desktop, and now you can write your programs here. Let's do the same and write print hello world here too. While we are at it, let's do the same steps of assigning values to variables and printing the value after the arithmetic operations. After you're done writing the program, click on Run. This would run the file and you would see the output on your Python shell. Great! Now you can run Python programs right on your computer. So this has been it for today, guys. We know we are late in bringing out our videos, but we are trying to schedule our uploads on a weekly basis from now on. So don't forget to subscribe us for more tech and programming related content. Mata ne!